So the sun is hitting this garage door perfectly. The shadow is cast by the house behind me, but the garage door is a neutral enough color and the cement is really cool looking. So we have the sun coming in just above the house there. And so we'll put Saren here with his on his bum. Can you help me out, bud? Facing. Like, why are you leaving me? Facing the garage door. And then I would take the picture from this angle. So then the door illuminates his face. The sun just went behind the clouds, but when it comes out a little bit more, it'll illuminate and give you a very well lit picture. The sun changes very quickly based on weather conditions, so what works 1 second may not work the next. And sometimes it's just about waiting for the clouds to roll by. Or let's see if we can get him to come back. Come here. And just look at the quality of light on his face. Oh. Or not. Let's just watch him eat this stick. Saren! Come here!